In this video, I'm going to show you how to check out X.com, also known as Twitter Spaces, using two simple methods. Whether you want to discover what people are talking about live, find trending audio conversations, or jump into a space happening right now, this quick guide will help you get there fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's use the Explore tab. Open X in your browser or on your device and look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see the Explore icon there. Click on it, and this is where X shows trending topics, live conversations, and other content that's popular right now. Since Twitter Spaces are live audio conversations, they often appear around trending discussions, so Explore is one of the easiest places to start if you want to find something active and current. Once you're on the Explore page, spend a moment looking through the trending sections. Depending on what's happening on the platform, you may see posts, topics, or live spaces connected to breaking news, creators, communities, or other real-time conversations. If a space is active and popular, it may show up as part of those trends or related results, making it easy to discover without needing to know exactly what to search for. Now let's move to the second method, which is the search hack. This is especially useful if you want a more direct way to find live spaces. Go to the main search bar at the top of X and type filter:spaces, then press enter or search. This filter helps pull up live spaces or tweets related to spaces so you can quickly see what audio conversations are happening now. After the results load, scan through the posts and live entries that appear. You may find active spaces, announcements about upcoming conversations, or tweets linking to a space. If you want to narrow things down even more, you can combine the filter with a topic or keyword. For example, you could search something like filter:spaces marketing or filter:spaces crypto to focus on a specific subject that interests you. This is a great trick because it saves time and helps you bypass endless scrolling. Instead of waiting to stumble across a space, you're using search to surface live audio conversations directly. That makes it much easier to find communities, experts, and discussions that match what you want to hear. If you open a space, you can usually tap or click to join as a listener. From there, you can listen live, follow the conversation, and sometimes even request to speak if the host allows it. Just remember that spaces are live and can move quickly, so if you see one you like, join sooner rather than later. So to recap, the two easiest ways to check out X.com Twitter Spaces are by clicking the Explore icon on the left-hand side to browse trending live audio conversations, and by using the search filter filter:spaces to find live spaces or related tweets. Both methods are simple, fast, and great for discovering what's happening in real time. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.